good.
fine-tuning their musical skills. Learning to play an instrument can be challenging, so Bluffton Middle School hosted an instrument startup camp to help beginning band students gain confidence, build skills, and get ready to hit all the right notes.
1, 2, ready, go.
For our 6th, 7th, 8th grade beginners to just really get like a quick start on their instrument. How do I open up my case? How do I put it together? What should my mouth look like? We want them to be on the same spot, to get as much instruction in a small amount of time as possible, so that when we get back in the classroom, we can hit the ground running and we make music so much quicker that way.
Band directors from across the district, along with high school band students, worked with the young musicians in small groups by instrument, giving them plenty of one-on-one attention.
And your ring finger should go here.
I'm playing with a vibraphone, and she's teaching us kind of how to hit it and good posture. I didn't know I had to have my feet in a certain place, because your feet are as important as your hands.
I'm learning to play the flute, and she's teaching us how to position our hands and how to blow into the embouchure.
I'm playing the trumpet, and they're teaching us how to play a high note and a high tone with pushing down the 2 valves, the first 2 valves.
I'm learning the saxophone right now, and we are learning how to put our instruments together, so putting our neck on our body of our saxophone and our mouthpiece on our neck.
This camp is helping spark a love of music and building a lasting interest in band programs across the district.
Having not just Bluffton Middle School come out, but to also have 2, 3, 4 other middle schools come out to this event, whether it's 2 kids or 5 kids or 10 kids, it means a lot to me, because it shows me that all those middle schools, those rising programs, that there's a want and a need for them to get better, and I want them to grow as much as possible.
About 50 middle school students from across the district attended the 4-hour camp. At Bluffton Middle School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
3, 4, stop.